And for more on the nationwide protest still in progress, we now go live to Jocelyn Shade at Rittenhouse Square. Can you hear me, Jocelyn?
Brian, it's been a year since the Emergency Powers Act of 2021 was enacted in response to the Ira virus, which killed more than 700 million people worldwide. The square I'm standing in was once host to a mass gravesite that held 50,000 Philadelphians. The mass gravesite is gone now, but what hasn't gone away is the military presence established in the city since last year, an attempt to curb the violence caused by infected and rioters alike. While this was initially accepted, the patience of the people is rapidly running out as frustration mounts over the military presence, which, while it has been curtailed, is still very much a part of daily life in America today. I have with me two of the thousands of people who've gathered here today, who are part of a larger movement against the martial law that is still in place throughout the country. Why are you against the current state of affairs?
Let me begin by saying that I appreciated the military presence during the Ira crisis. They were a great help in containing the violence and slowing down the spread of the contagion. However, they've overstayed their welcome. People here aren't willing to subject themselves to more of this government oversight, and this nation needs some room to breathe if it's to recover. We'll listen to the authorities, but we don't need them in our face 24/7. I mean, I can't even remember the last time I went into a restaurant or to my job without some man in green checking my ID and stamping a ration card. We understand why they were doing it in the first few months, but this has gone on for long enough.
And you?
It's just utter insanity. Are we children to these people? Look, I get it's about safety, but are you fucking...
Brian, are you there?
Yes, I'm still here, Jocelyn.
We've just had what I can only describe as a massive explosion here at Rittenhouse Square. I can't begin to describe the sight here as the side of this, like...
Jocelyn? Jocelyn, are you there? Someone get me some information, damn it. I want to reestablish the connection. I want to know what's going on down there. I apologize for my behavior. We're going to take a small commercial break here at WHYY while we try to get some more information of what has occurred at Rittenhouse Square. We'll be back shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department and the Pennsylvania National Guard. Several explosions have occurred at Rittenhouse Park, causing severe damage to the area, along with an unknown number of casualties. Although the cause of these explosions is unknown, due to the risk of this being a terrorist attack, all Philadelphia residents within a quarter-mile radius of Rittenhouse Park are required to evacuate immediately. In the event this becomes necessary, evacuation centers will be announced in a later broadcast. If you require assistance in evacuating the area, dial 911 for assistance by city or military personnel. If you have space in your vehicle, offer to take others with you who do not have a vehicle. Most importantly, remain calm. Panicking will only make the situation far worse. Repeating, several explosions have occurred at Rittenhouse Park, and due to the risk that this is a terrorist attack, All Philadelphia residents within a quarter-mile radius of Rittenhouse Park are required to evacuate immediately. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.